Yo, what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another review for you guys right now, so I'm trying to do this as fast as possible. I know it's a little bit dark in here. I'm going to have to edit the video to get it a little bit bright in here so you can actually see what I'm actually showing. But yeah, what we're going to be talking about is this right here. This is a keyboard case right here for your iPad. So this is basically for the iPad Air M2. This is for the 13-inch. As you can see, it does have the cutout right here, as you can see. So basically, this keyboard is universal for the iPad Pro and also the iPad Air 13-inch. So if you got an iPad Pro 13-inch or an iPad Air 13-inch, it'll work for both of them right here. Only difference between this case right here is that on the side, like you can see, it doesn't have the charging port and it doesn't have the little pins that you connect to the back of it. So it is full metal, and I'm sorry, not full metal, but it has full magnets in the back. You have your switch right here that turns off and on, and your USB Type-C charging port right here. Nothing on the side right there. Now, I was supposed to got one from AliExpress. What wound up happening is I never received that package, and the seller that I was going to be working with just played games with me. Didn't want to send me a new one, didn't want to refund my money, didn't want to do anything, and I'm doing a product review for him. So literally, yeah. So I wound up coming across another seller, spoke to them. So they actually sent this out to me for free to do a review for them. So I will be reviewing their product. This was sent out to me at no time. Am I obligated to say anything that benefits them? This is my words. They don't get to see the video before it's made. Nothing. They don't get to tell me what to say. This is my honest review, my honest opinion about this. So I had this case, keyboard case, for about a month now. I've been using it nonstop. The only thing I don't really like about these cases is that you can't push it far back as you want to. It does have a little notch. As you can see, there's like a little crease right here. So basically, once you open it up as so, that's as far as it opens up. So if I turn it to the side, that's basically what you see right there. So you have to basically bend it a little, and that's the far as it goes. So if you're using this like in a position I am and you need to be able to see it, you can't push it that far back and you can't really push it that far up. I do like the controllers towards here. It does have a lot of touch gestures. So let's just throw my iPad on here. So it just snaps into place just like the one that Apple makes. Put my fingerprint in. There we go. And there we go. So we do have some lighting effects right here. So you just press it. Get your lighting effects right there. So if I press the lighting and function, or you could just press it like this. There's your brightness. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hit function. Change the colors. I keep it at teal like that. So basically, to do any other actions and stuff like to play music and stuff like that, to lock it, if you press it regular, nothing is going to work on it, as you can see like that. To get the stuff to work, you have to hit function, then be able to turn the brightness down, brightness up, be able to use Siri by using the microphone here, play music. So if I do this, hit that like that, stop it again, but I have no music playing in the background or anything set up, so you won't actually hear the music and stuff like that playing. You can turn your volume up and down. Again, hit function. As you see, hit that right there, or press this to go down, press this to go up. You can lock it like this. Press it again, or press this right here to get that Touch ID right there. Or normally it would just work if I just did it like that, but sometimes I don't even have to press this, as you can see, like that. You do have your touch things like this to do that. Slide left and right to get to your widgets. Slide this way, slide that way, slide up, slide down, up like that. I do a lot of typing on here. I do like using this keyboard. I found myself using this keyboard case a lot. I didn't think I was going to actually use the case. I was using a regular keyboard right here that will connect towards it when I'm sitting here and I'm using it inside this room to basically use this. I have my ROG Ally right there. So that's basically what I would do. To be honest, I stopped using iPads for a very long time. I do have a couple of iPads. It's just over time I haven't had no use for using iPads, anything like that. Just probably like playing some games and stuff like that. But I stopped using iPads for a very long time. When I did use iPads or tablets, I started using Galaxy tablets because I found more use for the Galaxy tablets. So I kind of moved away from Apple tablets because Android was doing a little bit more better for me when it came towards like computer bias wise, because it had the pen, it had the stylus pen, it had the extra stuff, multitasking, be able to use decks, basically turn into a full computer. So that's basically what I was doing, is basically using my Galaxy tablets as my main second computer as a laptop. Go from tablet to desktop like that and be able to just take full advantage of it. So over the years, Apple has been changing up. The last iPad I had, it was an iPad Air. I think it was a 9th gen. It was 9th gen. My son actually gave me his. So like I said, he wanted me to have an iPad. Y'all know I'm an Apple guy, but I stopped buying iPads a long time ago once jailbreaking went out the window. Y'all know my old name used to be iPod Jailbreak Hacker. I used to do a lot of jailbreaks. I still have repos and stuff, themes and a lot of mods and extra jailbreaks and stuff inside the Big Boss repo. So if you type in that easy, you'll be able to get some of my old sources and some of my old things that I used to have back in the day. But yeah, so as I was being told that, and I keep forgetting I don't have to use the touch, I was going to get the iPad Pro, but like I said, I haven't used a tablet in a long time, which I was thinking about getting a Pro, because that 120 hertz refresh rate is something that I need, as you can see like this. So it doesn't really bother me. As you can see right here, you got the full mouse right here. One thing that I did not know that Apple was doing until I recently just learned about it is that now Apple does full on editing software on here. So as you can see, I got Final Cut Pro, I got iMovie, I got CapCut, I got DaVinci Resolve, Lightroom. I know before you can get Lightroom on it, and iMovie I already knew that you could do it, but after some time I found out you can get Final Cut Pro on it, CapCut and DaVinci Resolve. And these are the programs I basically use all the time. I use CapCut basically all the time. I use Final Cut Pro like literally all the time if I'm not on my Windows computer, because on Windows I do use CapCut, and I also use what was it, Power Direct, something like that. I forgot the actual name of the editing software when I'm using things from my capture card. But on Mac, I do use Final Cut Pro all the time. If y'all don't see my intros, that's how I make my intros with Adobe After Effects. Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve. I'm actually learning it. I already used the program a few times, but this is a big, I really love using this thing like here, just to get on here, just to edit software and get all that extra stuff up on here. And with this keyboard, just makes things way better. My last video that you've seen of my Call of Duty video is actually me using this and using this keyboard and connecting what was it? I can't think of it, but I was able to just do a lot of editing and stuff on here with no problem. Just connecting my USB, that's what was my hard drive to it, getting my stuff in here, be able to edit stuff like that. I do wish that I was able to connect my Stream Deck onto here, or my other devices on here, so I can actually use some of the keys that I have on here, especially like for DaVinci and stuff like that. So I do love the fact that I can do this and input stuff directly into it and use it. And the keys, I'm loving it. The typing experience is very good. Let's just go towards something really quick. I don't want to open up my pads because I got a lot of information here. I don't want people to see. Let's just open up YouTube. We're just going to do a typing test real quick, just so that you guys see. Let's type in this. Let's just see how responsive it is. You see how this is? I'm just pressing a bunch of buttons. You hear that clicking. Love the keypad on here. Backspace works very good. If I want to do this, I can double tap. So to actually get the double tap feature, which I'm gonna show you real quick. So let's scroll up real quick. I do have a glove on, so as you can see, I've been watching a lot of videos and stuff like that. So one of the things which I want to show you really fast, for example, let's just go towards this. For one of the features is the tap. This does have a click, so you can press and click. As you can hear that, press and click. Now I like to have it like my MacBook Pro. So basically, I just like to be able to tap it. So let's go back to DaVinci. So just a tap opens it up. Or if you don't want to do a tap, you can do a press, which is a click, like that. And I do like that. Or you can do a double tap, well, double click, like that. And I do love that fact that you can do that. You got your 2 fingers down, 2 fingers up, 3 fingers up, slide to the side, slide back over, as you can see, like that. So yeah, this is something that I do love. I will put the links in the description where you can actually purchase this at. I will have more videos up at a later time, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. All right, guys. So it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker. Only use me time out. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.